Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.